Kublai perlok but ngashi bini kalat hagani ka sngi buram ya Nonghikai mo. Ti ngalong brio ngaman brio kumni ru de na Nonghikai ke bi ki jonga. Ki jinghikai ki jongki ki long kum ki mawit ki balatay ya kan ka konro ka bas kham but pi nga kum ngalong kumni de Nonghikai ki bala saiñdur ya san perkhat nga ya jinglong jim ga jonga kumni. Ti ngakan mau kendiang ya iwe ni Nonghikai be hikai yang bantho ya ua mo itang khot it ya i kongnes mo ibahikai hapo mohon masar LP school kemudian hapo mau pram ti wala imdan shu hangni hasla perthai bat ngi handrai ka jing it ka jingsngewnguh buram ko jonga kali kerpang ya i lambat ya ka ying kasam ka jong i nga kit bok keryang ki mo bakinang shat nang khlan bat kham tam ka jing hikai baro ka i le hikai yai ne iaishah bat nga Haduh mentah tingin ya tuak jumot lang ru ni ki parok ki jungi ki kita Nonghikai ki ba ki kan mau kendiang ha ka jinglong jong ka jingpuli ka jongki yei tai Nonghikai ba pi kan mau kendiang Haduh mentah favorite teacher jong pi
Tengah kan mau tang iwi Nonghikai hak tu kipong si kot imis happy. Ai tang ka jengkit bok kerwang i ba in nang shat nang klan nang im temen.
Long akan mau mo ka por bangadang ren mo kadan ka ka subject moral science mo ka baki ong te ngaju kan mau kanya ka jingsneng jingkraw ka jongki kin ba ha ka por bangidang ren la hikai mo bareng dangi syong ha school ngim dei bangin syong kelan kti lan ni bangin bu ya kti long hakan dik ka temo ka jongi mo te hikai long wat Haduh mentar ngi dang kan mau te gitu habang syong ha school tingi di ban buram ba mo ya ki Nonghikai lan ni long kum ki khna kan kata te kata ka ka jing hikai ka jongki long kadang sa kan Haduh mentaru te.
Well, for me, it's my professor, and he's still the HOD for us, Professor Mao. So I would say him.
okay so what's your message on Teachers Day especially to him
Keep being him. Because his way of teaching, his way of communicating with students, it's really amazing.
Oh, they only.
From school, I think it would be Miss Annie and Sir Vasant Elwin. Thank you for all the knowledge you've imparted. I take them with me wherever I go.
I would say, okay, from college, Miss Daya. She nurtured the love of literature in me. So, and yeah, that's why I'm here now, I would say. Yeah, doing my master's and PhD.
Ningkong tingat saya di Naduh in Kaijunga fine arts, but iwe part di over Newman. I'm so thankful that I am what I am. It's all because of them, and I pray and I wish them good health and happiness.